So the first thing that we need to talk about is partnerships in web design. I think first and foremost, let's recognize that building a top-notch website is a collaborative effort between the client, you, and the web design agency. A reputable web design agency is well versed in structuring content, creating an appealing design, and crafting a seamless user experience while implementing SEO to attract the right audience and impress search engines. I need you to build a website for me and disappear is not an option. We're in this together. Now, trust. It's very difficult. You're buying something you can't put in the boot of your car and take home, and it's something that will only add value months after indexing. But you need to vet, choose, and then trust in your chosen agency's expertise. To succeed in search engine rankings, agencies must adhere to Google's best practices, which may involve rethinking or refining their initial ideas and yours. Coming into this relationship with preconceived ideas, I want, you must, won't end well for anybody. The agency's role is to guide and challenge your thinking. Work closely with the web development team, and the results will speak for themselves. Remember, they are the architects of your Google visibility. Your future leads, sales, they are on your side. You are the coach, but they are your players. So effective communication, key. When it comes to communication, think of it as the heartbeat of your project. Don't hesitate to share your goals and expectations with your web design agency. The more they know about the vision, the better equipped they are to bring it to life. Open and honest communication is the key to ensuring that your needs are met. Work with them, talk to them, rethink your initial thoughts as they guide you towards online success. You are in this together. Now that we understand what the partnership is, let's talk about what it is that you need to provide to assist your web design agency in creating a high-performing website. A high-performing website. You need to define clear goals and objectives. The foundation of successful website projects lie in having well-defined goals and objectives. So come closer. Consider the following. What are the primary objectives of this website? Is it to inform? Are you trying to entertain? Are you selling something? Is there a specific interaction like downloading a form, an ebook, or registering for an event? Is there a specific interaction that you want the site to perform? Who is the target audience? What are their preferences and needs? Understanding your audience is crucial for tailoring your website's content and design to meet their expectations. Don't talk at your audience, talk to them. The more clarity you provide, the better your designer can align the website with your aspirations. Be vocal. Share an abundance of information. Content, also known as website information. This is the key to online success. You can neglect the content and you can create a visually stunning website. But you need to bear in mind that that website will remain invisible in search engines. It will leave you disappointed. It will add no value to your business growth or your marketing strategy. Content is king. High quality content is paramount for your website to rank well in search. Forget about being minimalist. Short, little, one page, no scrolling, one photo, one paragraph. Yay, I don't want to intimidate. You need to add information to the site. Maybe nobody would ever read it, but Google does. And if Google doesn't see the information, it can't share it with anybody searching for the information. If it's not there, nobody will find you for it. You want to outrank your competitors. Invest the time and the effort in creating extensive content. Let's craft a top-tier website that can impress not only your website visitors, but also Google, and so you can rank really well. Visibility is key. The digital landscape is noisy, and a quality site is your ticket to standing out by rising to the top of search rankings. Do you have existing content? Maybe a company profile, brochures, maybe some ads you did in the paper, a radio ad, videos, photos you've taken, videos you've taken over the years. Do you have any of that? And do you want to include that in the website? Remember, high quality existing content can save a lot of time, resources, and in turn money. If you don't have anything, don't worry. Discuss content creation with your web development team. Most agencies will have copywriters, videographers, photographers, graphic designers on staff or on call. A well-versed team of experts in their different fields can help you create the content from scratch. They just need your time. They will be able to help you to create that engaging SEO-friendly content. Most important to me, and as an online marketer and Google, is that every page on your website should act as a landing page, catering to a specific audience, talking about a specific topic. Incorporating enough text, images, unique and distinct contact forms relating to the topics, maybe question and answer sections talking about problems clients face when thinking about that topic will add a ton of value. Google loves website content that addresses visitors' concerns and answers questions. Don't talk at your audience, talk to them. Engage with your audience. Ensure your message resonates with them. This will assist your web design in creating high-quality pages that rank well in search. Please avoid simple one-page websites. Unless you're driving traffic from external channels like Facebook, using email marketing, Google ads, radio ad, a newspaper ad, magazine ads, don't do it. Stay away from short minimalistic sites. You want to impress Google. If you don't have enough content, you will bury your website in search results. Invest the time and the effort. It's worth it. So, something of a sidebar about me. I've often been told that I can be quite adamant in my approach, and in most cases, to be really, really honest, my clients are right. But it is my expertise, my historic results, and the growth of existing clients that guides me and in turn guides them. It helps clients create quality content. It elevates their ranking, pulling them away from obscurity onto page 1, page 2, the top of search. And I do this globally. These very clients that are a little bit unsure, think I'm a little bit pushy, a little bit adamant, and sometimes get offended, will often reach out to me later to express their gratitude for my unwavering commitment as they begin to see the fruits of the efforts in the form of new leads, increased sales, substantial growth, all thanks to their strengthened presence in Google search. A pretty site means nothing. A pretty site that can be found in Google means everything. Listen to your web design expert. Put the time in. So put the time in with what exactly, Riaan? Well, target keywords and geographic visibility is important. If there's specific keywords in your specific business that you'd like to target, inform the web development agency of them. These keywords might be critical for your business or industry to be visible in search. Your designer can seamlessly integrate them into your website structure and the content, which will boost your SEO performance. Having an understanding of where your clients are equally important, geographically, I mean. So you might say, I just want to target people 10 kilometers. I'm a little local coffee shop. So people within 10 kilometers of my facility, of my cafe, I want them to find me. You might be doing solar installations, but you do it in a city. So I want to target the whole city. Or maybe you've got enough resources to target 100 kilometers around the city or in the province, maybe nationally. It's important to tell the web designer where these clients are situated geographically. So make sure to share this information. Now, features and functionality. What features and functionalities do you envision for your website? Are you in the need of contact forms? Is it an online store? It needs e-commerce capabilities. Do you want to inspire, inform, and educate? A blog? Maybe you're a events venue. You want an events calendar. You want a photo gallery of past events. Maybe there's a unique function that we don't know about. So when discussing these features with your designer, it's beneficial to create a list of fields for each contact form for the different fields on the products you're selling, etc., when they create the website for you. If we can have unique, tailored forms on every landing page, it will be an amazing tool to your marketing team. So while you keep these forms concise and straightforward, consider including at least 5 to 8 essential questions. These questions play a pivotal role in aiding your lead nurturing strategy. If you have well-crafted forms, it will enable your sales team to address questions and concerns during the initial contact. Remember, first impressions happens at first contact. It will set the stage for a positive first impression, which is key to online success and business growth. Do you have any special requirements? Every project carries its unique characteristics, and you may have special requirements that nobody else has. Are there any distinctive requirements for your specific website? These may range from multi-language support to integration with specific third-party software, maybe pastel accounting or a point-of-sale system or a stock management system. Integrating these special requirements can extend both the timeline and the cost beyond the scope of a basic website design. To refrain from getting shocked, it's essential not to delay in conveying these requirements. If you fail to communicate them promptly, it might result in unexpected additional costs during the development, which could come as a really unwelcome surprise. Let me know if in the comments below if you have any questions that I'm not addressing. Just leave a comment. Maybe there's something I've left out. I know the question in everybody's mind right now is, what about the design? Everybody wants to talk about what it looks like. So let's get into that. Let's talk about design and branding. The design and the branding of your website will set the stage for your online presence. Here's what you need to consider. Do you have a brand style guide? Is there specific design preferences? If you've established branding guidelines, share them with the design team. Are there any colors, specific fonts, design elements you'd like to incorporate? These elements will help create a unique visual identity for your website that will fit your brand like a glove. So share those. Why not look at competitor websites? Analyze these competitor websites, and it can provide really valuable insights. Do you admire or loathe the competitor's website? Share them with your web designer. Explain why. Why have I shared this with you? Look at this website. Look at their plumbing page. Look at the e-commerce. Look at the buyer journey here. Look at the images. Oh, I love the fonts. Look at the color. Look at how they've unpacked the information. I hate what these people did. That's rubbish. Flip, this is amazing. Share the links with some text. This site, I saw this. Yes, I loved it. Look at this site. I hated what these people did. Share that. Share those links. Share the information. Guide the development team. This will save time and costs, as it helps your design agency to align the design and the functionality to your specific needs and preferences. Take a breath. Timeline and budget. I can't explain to you how many times people will send me a form from our own website saying, how much does a website cost? Each website is unique. And it's really important that the web design agency has at least a basic understanding of what you require before they give you a quote. If they don't, if there's a package rate, be careful. Each website should be uniquely tailored with specific keywords, outcomes, and content to drive traffic for a specific business outcome. So just think about what you're asking. Provide a brief. Understanding your project's timeline and budget is crucial for efficient planning. You have to keep the following in mind. Is there a specific launch date that you want the site to go live? Communicate your desired timeline to the development team and avoid disappointment. What is your budget? Clear budget expectations will ensure you get the best value for your investment. And please be reasonable. Quality takes time. Time costs money. Many tools will help you build your own website, but building a mobile responsive website that delivers an exceptional user experience and ranks well in Google requires expert skills and dedication. Some of the skills that's taken me 15 years to develop. What is UX design? What is SEO? What is SEM? Why is Google Search Console important? Why is Google Analytics important? Why is a good checkout cycle important? How should I think about lead gen? How should I get the lead coming into me? How should I respond to the lead? How do I capture that lead? Where do I see the statistics? These are really important things that takes years to understand. Building your own website in 2023 for me, I think, is a waste of time. Lots of clients will come to me and say, I did my own site, but it's not really working. And then I look at the website and within 3 seconds I know why. Because they didn't have the skill. I'm not saying you don't have the skill. I'm saying you might have some of the skill but need more. So talk to a reputable website design agency that has a proven track record with results that they can show to you. Web designers are abundant. So ask for verifiable Google ranking and lead generation or sales results from websites designed by that agency before hiring them. Let them prove their worth to you. By providing these crucial details, you're laying the groundwork for a successful website project that aligns with your vision and your goals. So gather your thoughts, communicate effectively with your web development team. Your input is invaluable in crafting a website that truly reflects your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content coming up in the following weeks. And I want to thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your website journey. For now, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the rugby. I'll chat to you soon.